Hi everyone, especially to Sir Gio Panawan Jimenez. And today, I am gonna make a video tutorial about 2D and 3D object and trigonometry. I'm gonna make a tutorial of 13 different shape of 2D and 3D object. So first is square. So we have a problem here. So a square has side of 8 meter. Find the area and the perimeter. So first, we're gonna draw square. So we know that square have a same sides. Okay? And the formula of square is area is equals to is squared. And now, our problem here is a square has a side of 8 meter. So, 8 meters. And next, we're gonna put the 8 meters. So, 8 squared. So, 8 squared is equals to 64 meter. It's because 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. And next, we're gonna solve for perimeter. So the formula of perimeter is perimeter is equals to 4 sides. So 4 multiplied by 8 is equals to 32 meter. So this is our perimeter and this is our area. And next, we have a triangle. So a triangle is 10 meter long and 6 meter wide. So find the area and the perimeter. So 10 meter long and 6 meter wide. So the formula of perimeter is area equals to AB. Now we are gonna put the A, which is 10 meter, multiplied by B, which is 6 meter, is equals to 60 meter. And the formula of perimeter is perimeter equals to 2A plus 2B. So 2, so our A is 10 plus 6. So we are gonna multiply 2 times 10, which is 20, and 2 multiplied by 6, which is 12. So 20 plus 12 equals 32. So 32 meter. So this is our perimeter and our area. And next up, we have a circle. So a circle has a radius of 7 meter. Find its area and perimeter. So first, we have a circle. So the radius of our circle is 7 meter. So find its area and our perimeter. So the formula of perimeter is P is equals to 2 pi r, which is 2 pi multiplied by 7, which is our radius. So 2 pi multiplied by 7 is equals to 43.9. So 44 meter. And now let's gonna find our area. So the formula of our area is A is equal to pi r squared. So pi multiplied by our radius, which is 7 squared. So 7 squared is 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. So pi multiplied by 49. So 153.9. 154 meter. So this is our area and our perimeter. And next up, we have a triangle. So a triangle has a base of 10 meter and height of 6 meter. Find its area. The problem of triangle. So a triangle has a base of 10 meter and height of 6 meter. So let's find the area. So the formula of triangle is area is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 multiplied by 10, 6 meters. So the half of the 10 is 5. And 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. So 30 meters. So this is our area of triangle. And next, we have a parallelogram. So a parallelogram has a base of 12 meter and a height of 5 meter. Find its area. So now for the parallelogram. So the problem is a parallelogram has a base of 12 meter and a height of 5 meter. So find its area. So we're gonna find the area. So the formula of parallelogram is A B times height. So 12 meter multiplied by 5, which is 60 meters squared. And next, we have a circular sector. A pizza slice has a radius of 10 cm and a central angle of 90 degrees. Find its area. Circular sector. So the problem here is a pizza slice has a radius of 10 cm and a central angle of 90 degrees. So find its area. So the formula of circular sector is area is equals to pi radius squared theta over 360. So pi, so for our r is 10 squared multiplied by 90 degree over 360. So 10 squared multiplied by 90 is 30. So 9,000 divided by 360 is equal to 25. So 25 pi. So 25 pi is equals to 78.5. So 78.5. So this is our area. Pythagorean theorem. A ladder is 5 meter from a wall and reaches 12 meter up. How long is the ladder? So a problem here, how long is the ladder? The Pythagorean theorem is C is equals to A squared plus B squared. So A, so let's gonna put the 5 meter. So don't forget the square root. 5 meter squared plus 12 meters squared. So 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 plus 12 multiplied by 12 is 144. 25 plus 144 is 169. So the square root of 169 is 13. So 13 meter. So this is our answer. Next, we have a circular ring. So a circular track has an outer radius of 8 meter and inner radius of 5 meter. Find its area. Let's gonna find the area of circular ring. So the solution of circular ring is area is equal to pi r squared minus r squared. So pi, so our radius is 8 meter, so 8 squared minus 5 squared. So let's gonna copy the pi, and 8 multiplied by 8 is 64 minus 5 times 5 is 25. So 64 minus 25 is 39. So 39 pi. So 39 pi is equals to 122.5. So 122.5 meter squared. So this is our area of circular ring. And next, we have a sphere. So a sphere has a radius of 10 cm. Find its surface area and volume. So for the sphere, so a sphere has a radius of 10 cm. So find its surface area and volume. So let's gonna find the surface area and the volume. So the formula of sphere is area equals to 4 pi r and r squared. So 4 pi, and our radius is 10. So 10 squared. So 10 squared is 100. It is because 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. And 100 multiplied by 4 is 400. So 400 pi. So 400 pi is equals to 1256. So 1256 centimeter squared. So this is our surface area. And the volume, so the formula of volume is V is equals to 4/3 pi r3. So 4/3 pi. So our radius is 10. So 10 to the power of 3. So 10 to the power of 3 is, so 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 1000. And multiplied by 4 is 4000. So 4000. So 4000 pi over 3. So 4000 pi over 3 is equals to 4188.7. 4,188.7 centimeter to the power of 3, or cube rather. And next, trapezoids. So a trapezoid has a basis of 10 meter and 6 meter and a height of 4 meter. Find its area. So for the trapezoid, so a trapezoid has a basis of 10 meter and 6 meter. So and a height of 4 meter. So find its area. So we're gonna find the area of trapezoid. So the formula of trapezoid is area is equal to 1/2 A plus B h height. So 1/2, and for our A is 10 meter plus for B is 6, and for our height is 4 meter. So 10 plus 6 is equals to 16, and the half of 16 is 8. So 8 multiplied by 4 is 32 meter square. So this is our area of trapezoids. Next, we have a rectangular box. So a box has dimension 2 meter, 3 meter, and 4 meters. Find its surface area and volume. For the rectangular box, so a box has dimension of 2 meter and 3 meter and 4 meter. So find its surface area and volume. So we are gonna find the surface area and the volume of rectangular box. So the formula of rectangular box is area is equal to 2 AB plus AC plus BC. So 2, and for our A is 2 multiplied by B, which is 3, plus A is 2, and for the C is 4, plus 3 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. And 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So 6 plus 8 plus 12 is equals to 26. So 26 multiplied by 2 is 52 meters squared. So this is our surface area. And for the volume, formula of volume is V is equals to ABC. So for our A is 2 multiplied by B, which is 3, multiplied by C, which is 4. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 is 24. So 24 meter cube. So this is our volume of rectangular box. So next, we have a cube. Cube has a side length of 4 meter. Find its surface area and the volume. So for the cube, so a cube has a side of length of 4 meter. So find its surface area and volume. So let's gonna find the surface area and volume. So the formula of cube is A is equal to 6L squared. So so 6 multiplied by 4 which is our side length of cube, and squared. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. And 16 multiplied by 6, so multiplied by 6 is 96. So 96 meter square. So this is our surface area of cube. And now let's gonna find the volume. So the formula of volume is V is equals to L, or length cube. So 4 cube is equals to 64 meter cube. So this is our volume of cube. And next, we have a cylinder. So a cylinder has a radius of 3 meter and a height of 5 meter. Find its surface area and the volume. And now for the cylinder. So a cylinder has a radius of 3 meter and a height of 5 meter. Find its surface area and the volume. So let's gonna find the surface area and the volume. And the formula of cylinder is A equals to 2 pi r plus h. So 2 pi, and for the radius is 3, which is 3 meter, and multiplied by radius, which is 3, also 3, plus height, which is 5 meter. So 3 plus 5 So 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. And 24 multiplied by 2 is 48. So 48 pi. So 48 pi is equals to 150.7, 150.8 meter square. So this is our surface area of cylinder. And now let's gonna find the volume of cylinder. So the formula of volume is V equals to pi r squared times height. So pi. So for our r, or radius, which is 3 squared, multiplied by height, which is 5. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and multiplied by 5 here. So 45 pi here, pi. And 45 pi is equals to 141.37, 141.4 meter cube. So this is our volume of cylinder. We have a circular cone. So a cone has a base radius of 4 meter and height of 6 meter. Find its surface area and volume. circular cone. So a problem has a base of radius of 4 meter and the height of 6 meter. Find its surface area and the volume. So let's gonna find the surface area and the volume of right circular cone. So first, we're gonna solve for slant height. Which the formula of slant height is S is equals to square root r squared plus height squared. So for our base radius is 4. So 4 squared plus height, which is 6 squared. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 plus 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. And you are gonna add them together. So 16 plus 36 is equals to 52. 52. So the square root of 52 is 7.2. So 7.2 meter. And now we're gonna solve for surface area. So this is our slant height, and now we are gonna solve for surface area. So the formula of surface area is A equals to pi r clock and r plus slant height, or this one. So pi, and for our radius is 4, and the radius is 4 plus our slant height, which is 7.2 meter. So 4 plus 7.2 is equals to 11.2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 44.8. 0.8 pi. 44.8 pi is equal to 140.7. 140.7 meter squared. And now we are gonna find the volume of right circular cone. So the formula of volume is V equals to 1/3 pi r squared times height. So 1/3. So 1/3 pi multiplied by radius, which is 4 squared, multiplied by height. So 6. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So 16 multiplied by 6 is 96. So 96 divided 3 is equals to 32. And copy pi. So 32 pi and 32 pi is equals to 100.5. So 100.5 meter cube. This is our volume of right circular cone and our surface area. And lastly, frustum of a cone. So we have a problem here. So a water tank is shaped like a frustum of a cone. The tank has a top radius of 3 meter, a bottom radius of 5 meter, and the height is 8 meter. What is the volume of the water the tank can hold. The tank has a top of radius of 3 meter and a bottom radius of 5 meter, and the height is 8 meter. So what is the volume of water the tank can hold? So we're gonna find the volume of froston of a cone. So the formula is V is equals to 1/3 pi times height, and R squared plus R and our bottom radius plus bottom radius squared. So first we're gonna copy the 1/3 pi, and for our height is 8 meter, multiplied by top radius, which is 3 meter squared, plus our top radius, which is 3, and for our bottom radius, which is 5 meter, plus our bottom radius, which is 5 squared. We are just gonna copy the 1/3 pi and 8. And first, we are gonna solve this one, which is 3 squared. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, and 5 squared is 5. So we're gonna add them together. So 9 plus 15 plus 25 is equals to 49. So you are gonna multiply 8 by 49, which is 392. So 392 multiplied by 1 is equals to 392 pi over 3 meter cube. So here we are gonna divide the 392 pi over 3 is equals to 410.5. 410.5 meter cube. So the volume of water the tank can hold is approximately 410.5. That's all. Thank you.